Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, select general management, go down, select reset. Here we can see reset network settings, tap on that. You can see it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So we can fix all Wi-Fi, mobile data or internet and Bluetooth related issues using this reset operation. Let me tap on this reset settings, then tap on reset. See, network settings reset, done. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network and internet related issues. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.